Again, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to start with exercise 4.2 from chapter number 4, linear equation in two variables. Starting with question number 1, that is, which of the following is true and why? And the equation is given to you here. So you just have to tell that which of the following is correct in these options, and tell the reason that why you are thinking that is right. So the correct answer is C, infinitely many solutions. uh, Let me tell you with the help of an example. If you take x is equals to 1, and when you solve it, your y, let's say it will come, suppose 6, and in the next step you will take x is equals to -1, then your y will different na, it will be like 4, it will be -2. So when you are changing the values of x, the value of y's are also changing with the value of x. So same as it is, infinitely many solutions, because when we put different values of x in this equation, then the value of y will also be different. This should be the language or for answering the these questions in your papers also. So moving to the next question. Question number 2. Write the four solutions of each of the following equation. So first part is 2x plus y is equals to 7. So first we'll divide the sheet into four parts. Okay, so you just have to let the value of any variable. You can let the value of x or you can let the value of y, but in this case I am letting the value of x only. Let x is equals to 1. So you will just have to put the value of x. 1 plus y is equals to 7. 2 plus y is equals to 7. Y is equals to 7 minus 2, and your y is 5. So your first solution will be 1 comma 5. Then let x is equals to -1. 2 multiply by -1 plus y is equals to 7. -2 plus y is equals to 7. Then 2 goes in the right hand side with 7, and it will change the sign. Plus, so your y is 9. So the second solution will be -1 comma 9. Then let x is equals to now we'll take 2. 2 multiply by 2 plus y is equals to 7. 4 plus y is equals to 7. Y is equals to 7 minus 4, and your y will be 3. Now your third solution is 2 comma 3. Now moving ahead, let x is equals to -2. Now 2 multiplied by minus 2 plus y is equals to 7 minus 4 plus y is equals to 7. 4 is equals to 7 plus 7 plus 4, y is equals to, that is 11. So your fourth solution will be minus 2 comma 11. So this part is completed. Moving to the next part. Okay, here is the second part. So x plus y is equals to 9. Again you have to divide the columns for this. Okay, let in this I am going to put the let the value of y is equals to 1, or in this we'll start with 0. Y is equals to 0, and then x plus 0 is equals to 9, and then x will be 9 minus 0, so x is 9. So your first solution is 0 comma 9. Let y is equals to 1, x plus 1 is equals to 9, x is equals to 9 minus 1, x is equals to 8. So second solution is 1 comma 8. Let y is equals to minus 1, x plus minus 1 is equals to 9, x, the plus minus is minus, 1 is equals to 9, x is equals to 9 plus 1, so your x will be 10. So your third solution is minus 1 comma 10. Moving to the fourth solution. Let y is equals to 2, x plus 2 is equals to 9, x is equals to 9 minus 2, x is equals to 7. So your fourth solution will be 2 comma 7. So this part is also completed. Now here is your third question. Rest of the part, if I'm not working on those part, that means that parts are your homework. You are going to solve that parts at your home. So moving to the third question. Check which of the following are solutions of the equation x minus 2y is equals to 4. Now in this question the equation is given to you, and you just have to tell that whether this is the solution of this equation. Now you all know this is x and this is y, so you just have to put the values in this equation. So your equation is x minus 2y is equals to 4. X is 0. 2 multiplied by y is 2 is equals to 4. Minus 4 is equals to 4. So this is LHS left hand side and this is RHS right hand side, and these are unequal. So if these are unequal, then these are not the solution of this equation. If they are equal, then they are. Moving to the next part, here is they are not the solution, so you have to write the statement in your exams. Second part, this is x, this is y. Equation is y minus 2y is equals to 4. X is 2 minus y is 0 and is equals to 4. 2 minus 2 multiplied by 0 is 0 is equals to 4. 2 is equals to 4. So LHS is not equal to RHS. Again, this is not the solution. Then again, this is x, this is y. In your paper you have to write like this, like x is equals to 4 and y is equals to 0. Don't do this thing. So your equation is x minus 2y is equals to 4. X is 4 minus y is 0 is equals to 4. 4 minus 2 multiplied by 0 is 0 is equals to 4. Now 4 is equals to 4. Now in this case LHS is equal to RHS. So this is the solution of this equation. Okay, so here I'm stopping my video. So I hope these videos are very much helpful for you. So please subscribe my channel, please guys. If you subscribe, I'm going to upload more videos to you to help you guys. So please like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you so much.